How are you doing, sir?
It's
Where are you from?
I'm
Let me
good.
know.
How about you?
I'm good. And where are you from?
Yeah. I'm actually Brazilian and like half Brazilian, half French. Right now, I'm in France, in Toulouse, south of France, and working a lot for this new idea that I hope we can cope to reach our goal.
Oh, okay. So, sir, nice to meet you. This is our first meeting. So now we can talk about the project. So
So this is like the name. We don't have the branding, so that's why we contacted you. When I
yes.
mean we, because we are several people working this project together. Let me just present myself. As I said, I'm half Brazilian, half French. I'm currently living in France. I'm a robotics engineer, also computer science engineer,
Wow.
and I've been working for in this sector for quite a little while. And but now, we came across, me and my friends, so my associates, we came across this idea that we want to change the way we consume beers and also different bars, beverage, and here in France. So we're starting to tackle here this market in Toulouse, but this is not just what we are trying to reach. So we're trying to reach the whole Europe, because what I'm going to explain afterwards. So what we're going to talk today, it's about, let me just hide this. Okay. So, well, I'm gonna just tell a little bit more about what we want to do and what it's our mission, our like problem statement. So that's and why we started to think about this idea, the Kins Insights. So after I can share this with you, and then you can see like that we're gonna follow this approach to explain this whole idea.
Okay.
So the project goal now and to make the first MVP, and the project it's just to make a marketplace for bars to optimize the ordering and payment process. So this is like a nowadays it's a problem here in Europe, not just in France, but here in France we can see that from close, because we start to work together after waiting so long in lines, and this idle time usually make some clients to leave the bars or restaurants or any other establishment that usually use the old way of paying, that it's with a credit card or by cash. So those two main problems lead us to try to solve this painful process of ordering and paying a single drink. Sometimes you could just go for a single drink. You want to pay just that drink, and from our research, the average time it's around 5 to 7 minutes, just for a single order. So this
Okay.
problem, it's statement. It's because what we want to do in a bar. Usually, when people go to a bar, it's not actually to drink. Although they sell beverage, it's not the main goal. The main goal is to socialize, to share experience with friends, and to stay there. So this is also what I want you to get. So our the potential of this software, so this app, it's to increase the sociability and to increase the experience of a single person that wants to pay in a bar. So instead of waiting in a line and suffering from that idle time, this person can actually enjoy way better the time with their friends rather than spending times in the lines, right?
Yes.
So this is the main goal, and our platform solution, it will not just give a solution for the client itself, so not for just the person that wants to drink, but also for the owner. So also what we can also try to reach and to get for to give a little get a little bit more traction and have a little bit more growth. We can also try to tackle nightclubs and other places that they also sell drinks, right? So drinks is so the key insight, it's about this organization, during like rush hours. So then you can see like a bunch of people that they're going to the cashier, and they start like, and they wait a long time for paying. Sometimes they have like server order mistakes, especially like
Sir, sir,
misspelling. So then
just a minute, sir. Just a minute. Hello. Yes, sir.
so then what we want to avoid it's serving order mistakes. So then sometimes people like the way they order when it's a mess sometimes in a bar, so that can lead us to a misordering and waste of drinks, because sometimes they have actually to throw that away instead of serving that drink to the client. The delay of the payment process that I was talking before. So easy order tracking, so then you can track the order, and then also this data is very useful for the owner. So our owner is going to be very happy to understand who the client is, why he's going, age average, for instance. So this kind
Sir.
of
So, sir, long story short, you want to create some apps, I think apps, so that's help
yeah
us people to buy their beer or drinking bars,
yeah
right?
yeah
So what
that's
is
it.
your main goal about your brand? Like, what is your main goal? What do you
Yeah, the main
what problem do you want to solve about by your brand?
no. Yeah, first thing, like this name. After I'll present what's the name, the message that this name convey.
Hmm.
But the main thing is like we want like an easy and fast way, a new payment tech for bars.
Hmm.
It's a new payment way that it's a technology that will solve problems, that will solve one single problem, like the idle time you actually spend nowadays to get your drink and to pay that drink, because you cannot get your drink before paying. The pain, it's the pain process, it's painful, right? So then that's what we're solving. So it
Oh, okay,
needs to be
okay,
fast.
okay.
It's
So your brand is solving the payment problem, right?
the
Drinking.
payment problem. It's a
Okay, okay.
payment tech for
So
bars.
so did market have already this type of solution, or this is a new idea, completely new idea? Let me know.
There are several there are several that it's not yet in the market, not yet for bars. So this is it's a new tech, I would say, like at least here in this region. So in this country, in this region. So we still don't have this. Not let's say we have competitors that they started to work in this idea, but it's not still there. So they're not still in Google Play, for example.
Oh,
So if we check Google
oh,
Play, they're not there yet.
okay.
So they exist, but they're like testing still. They had like a great investment, and they already got like another big company that usually it's doing something similar for restaurants. They bought that idea already. So
Yes.
actually they are now part of this big group, and now we don't have this solution as a marketplace. As a marketplace like Uber Eats and others, it's not still there. Okay?
Okay. Okay. So
So this solution,
the
sorry,
solution
go
is
ahead.
okay. 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 Yes, you can. You can continue.
It's all in one solution: bar order and table management, for different kind of bars. So we want to tackle the different kind of bar, because there is one that you can actually take in the cashier, so exactly in front of the bartender, and another one that the bartender comes to you, so that you have a waiter that comes to your table and he shows the menu. So we want to solve this both situations. So this milestone, our first milestone to make our MVP, it's to optimize the waiter-client relationship. So this is also like a relationship shortcut, let's say. So to make the client life easier and more efficient and even more profitable for the bar. And because of the studies that our competitors did already, so we're taking that as an example, it
Okay.
increases also the tips rate. So people start to tip more using the application because they have their beverage before actually they were expecting. They get happy about that, so then they tip more.
Okay. So long
So
story.
this is
Okay.
Go
You
ahead.
can. Yeah. You
Don't
can.
hesitate
Okay,
to put your
I don't
questions.
hesitate. Just share your idea. When I got all of the idea, then I will let you know my feedback. Okay, just let me know your feedback.
Okay, okay. That's
Okay.
good. Okay, that can be
Since
a little
I
bit
listen,
redundant,
I don't know
but
anything about your mission, about your vision. So when you let me know all of the thing, then I will explain what I am just understand from all of your talking and explanation. So
that's great. That's great. Sounds great for me. So
yeah.
then that app, not just a phone app based, but also a web based app, will like
Okay.
just show an order directly counter directly to serve and exposing menus. So I don't know if you are an Uber Eats user. So the goal is to mimic the same process that people are already used to use. So people are like they got used, right, like to go to tap their restaurant that they want to search, to check the menu. They can select the products, they can add to the cart, and have the list of the products that they
All of the
added to the
list in the
cart.
apps.
Exactly.
Yes.
So as just to put that in another words, the each each bar will have their menu in the app separately, like a profile, bar profile. So the
Okay.
bar owners will get billing instantaneously, which is not actually what's happening right now, nowadays, with the machine, with the credit card machine. It's not what it's happening, right?
Yes.
So we want to speed up that too. So that should be optimized. The end of the day, that money should be in their bar owner's account, bank account,
Direct.
and the customer can order a fast drink with a simply reorder button. Also, that's another feature that we're going to create. Reorder button. He already ordered that beer, that drink. He just want another one. He's happy with that, right? So then he's
Yes.
going to just click one button, and then he can get that drink back again on his table. So then that's it. What we
Yes.
want to do. So our role is to make a marketplace, and we will work as a facilitator to put bars and customers closer to each other. This is relationship
So
should we want to increase this bond. This bond should be created better than it is nowadays. And because of the payment process, they're not happy with the payment process. No one is happy with the payment process.
it's a very
What the
painful. It's
people
very
are
painful.
it's painful. People
Yeah.
want to talk to the waiter. They want to know what the drink is, if the drink is good or not, the
Yeah.
temperature
So
of the drink.
people, when people install your app on their phone, so people then get easily idea about the bar, about the bar taste, yeah, about the beer, everything in your apps, right? Then people can buy what they want in the app, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's it.
So
So for us, what we're trying to reach right now, and we're trying to create this kind of relationship that it's not part of what we're talking, but I think this is also clarify a little bit more the ideas. It's the early adopters. So we're trying to understand better the early adopters, because in the case of our competitor that it's for restaurants, it's a different kind of people that go to restaurant, and they are already ready to pay like 50 euros a bill. There is another one that they go to a bar, they pay 2 euros for a beer. So it's a two different kind of transactions, and it's a completely different product, right?
yes.
So beverage and food, we actually have two different places to go.
Yeah.
We have bars and we
Yes.
have restaurants. So
Yes.
here it's what we want to solve. We want to solve for bars, and
Just
we're
only for
clear with
bars.
that.
Just only for bars.
Just for bars or
Okay.
nightclubs, because it's very
Bars or
similar, right?
nightclubs. Okay. Yes.
Exactly.
So
So for
so
our
so, so
product,
now
yeah,
so
go
now
ahead.
what is my task? Let me know. So okay. Let me share. You can share your design, and you can let me know what the prototype.
So like after like we are going from discover, define, ideate, design, and testing. And
Yes.
where we're gonna get with you, it's design, right?
Yes.
So
Yes. Yes.
design,
Yes.
it's
Yes.
where you're coming across, or like we starting with the branding.
Yes.
After we going for the other parts, and if you're up to, and if you can make a good deal and everything, we can go for the other also other steps with you too. So
Yeah,
that's
low
also what I
wireframe.
wanted to show you. I want to be very clear and transparent to show you like what's our idea and how we are actually evolving with this idea. So the
Yeah, yo.
branding, we want to, Bohem's the first name of the app. So the first name, why? Because in this phase that we don't have actually the product, I think we can keep this brand for 2 years at least. But the first thing we want, it's a symbol to represent something that
Yeah,
people
yeah,
will get. I
yeah.
will show you after the idea.
So let me clarify you. So at first we have to make the brand logo. You understand? If we make the
Yeah,
logo, if we when we make the logo, then we will get the color from the logo, and color is very necessary for branding and everything, because every brand have a one or two color that is recognizable, like like Facebook is blue color, yeah, and all everything branding across the blue color. You understand what I say?
sure.
So we have to select, for first we have, for the branding we have to select the color, the logo, and the typography. That's it. When you select these three element, then we will make the branding, and I can process all of the thing.
Yeah. So that's why actually I didn't want to, let's say,
If you have any idea
spoil.
what type symbol you want as a logo, then you can share with
Yeah.
me. If you have any idea, then you can share.
Sure, sure. Sure. This is why I didn't actually want to put any color here. I didn't want to mess it up with the colors here. But that's why I put everything in a grayscale
Okay,
because I
okay,
don't
okay.
want to influence. I think you are the professional here, right? So
Yes.
you will do your job the best way ever. I'm gonna trust you, and that's what I think you're gonna
Okay,
find
okay,
it
don't
and
worry. I
just
will I will
fine.
try my
We can
best.
talk.
Okay, I will try my best. Don't worry. Just you can share
That's it.
your idea with me. Just share your idea.
That's great. But that's the main goal here.
Yeah, yeah.
So then also avoid a little bit these cliches, right?
Okay, yes.
Beer pints, drinking glasses, classic items that might be too cheesy. That's not what we want here. We want to be creative. We want to be fast, right? We want to be different. We want to be attractive. So it should be sexy. That's how it
Yeah,
should be.
yeah. Since
So the
it's a
keywords that
okay, okay. Sure.
yeah. So the keywords that we described, like to understand. So then it's rush, fast, boost, pay, drink, order, liquid, cup, table,
City,
bar,
boss,
app,
cup,
pity,
pay,
chug,
table,
and
tap.
tap.
Yes. So all of the idea,
Those,
keyword idea, just
yeah, those are the keywords ideas that we
you want to put the
we came
icon.
across.
All of all of the idea just for icon, right? Logo icon.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
exactly. So this is the name brainstorm. We thought about different names. So then I want just to show you like how we came across
Bohem.
this name.
Okay.
So we thought all about those names, different ones, and then we came across that Bohem could be better because this actually the name of that means a lot because in French it's Bohème and also Bohemia in English. So then this part can actually show the brand radical in different languages. So around Europe, especially because this is our target, right?
Yeah.
So that's the name. Like that's actually a lifestyle. So it's a lifestyle name.
Oh,
So the
your
meaning of
brand name is
Bohemian is
Boham, right? Is my
hmm?
Your brand name is Boham, right?
Yeah, in English would be boho. Yeah,
Boham. What do you?
yeah. Boho is not, like, this is what I want to share here with you. The meaning of that. So
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I highlighted. I actually like I put in bold just the radical, right?
Yes.
So it's the practice of an unconventional lifestyle, often in the company of uh, like minded people with few permanent ties. So it involves music, artistic, literature, or spiritual pursuits. Well, like, this is like this is the context
Context
uh,
Biha
of
means
of
my
this
by another
adventure and this
adventure,
kind
and
of
Bhiga
it is a
means
very young name, right?
yes, yes,
It's a very
yes,
young name.
yes.
So the business goal is like to create this marketplace before the FIFA World Cup, because it's
So
when people go to bar and they consume this.
yeah,
November, that will be
was
Qatar.
so okay. So let me know what. Let me know the project deadline and when I need to finish all
Mhm.
of the thing.
No
The
worries.
project
Like
timeline and
here,
deadline.
like yeah, we have our like our first I'd say like the trial client. We already have one partner.
Yeah.
So the goal is it's to test with him, right? To test in a
Yes.
bar, to
Yes.
test the first place. So then we shouldn't be that much worried about we should be worried about the quality. Quality should be good. The our competitors, they're not still there. They have a lot of people working on this for this solution.
Yeah.
So we want to be better than them. That's the only thing we need to do. It's to be better, to offer better features, faster features. And the way we're gonna get that, it's we can't, of course we're gonna work with deadlines and we need to have that in mind, but we need to know that the best we can get, we should do. So don't worry that much about the delay right now. We should work with the best process, best work ever.
Okay.
So
Okay. I will try my best.
so
So
then the generous
so my
so
task.
the
So
general
my
test.
first task is
Yeah,
make a logo symbol for your company Boham, right?
yeah,
So I should make the iconic or colorful logos that represent your brand Boham, right? Oh, so what type
yeah.
icon do you want? Do you want something B letter icon or do you want something mm, bar type icon? What type do you want?
Yeah, I will show you more or less my what inspired me. So
Okay.
after that, I put the target users, so bar owners, waiter, and customers. Audience are usually are between 18 and 30 years old,
Okay.
university students especially, and bars here that we have this relationship with bars, so that we
So
know.
the target
So this
audience age group is 19 to 30, right?
yeah,
Okay. So
yeah,
competitor is binds refill Sunday app Uber Eats
yeah.
just it.
Yeah, that Uber Eat, Delivery, and Just Eat, they can act pivot their solution.
Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
don't think that would be that hard for them to make this happen. So we are looking about what they're doing, and we need to take the advantage of everything that all the research that they already made and implemented to
Yes.
to take advantage of that and try to do like at least the same as them, and then of course try to optimize even better for our specific application. So this is the logo inspiration that I got.
Okay. Just wait. Just hold on. So those are the logo idea that you inspire.
Hmm.
Those are the logo that's inspire you. That's your
Yeah,
inspiration. So now I have to make
exactly.
something for Boham. Okay.
This is what I thought about. I didn't put colors because I think we need to be very free around that.
Okay.
So
I will.
I
I
want to.
so I
I want.
let me just clarify you. So
Mhm,
don't worry. I will choose three different color for you, and I will send you them. You have to select
mhm,
one of them. Okay. I will give you three color option. It's okay for you.
mhm.
If you want, then I will
Yeah,
give you
sure.
one option, or if you want, then I will give you three option. Then you can choose what you want.
Hmm.
What do you think? What is good for you? Do you want one option or do you want three option? Do you want three color
Well,
option or do you prefer just one color that I will give you?
uh, I would prefer like a palette, so colors that they well at some point they have a meeting between them, meaning sorry meaning,
Okay. Yeah. Don't
and
worry.
so then like a kind of a color palette that has a meaning. So what we want to convey, the message here is like
Yes. The
it's a
customer.
speed, right?
Yes.
It's yeah, exactly. The speed is very important. Second one, relationship, and relationship
Relationship
with like
with yeah customers and owners. Relationship with right.
yeah,
Also
yeah,
waiter in involved.
Exactly,
Yeah, yeah.
exactly. So those are the keywords for us. Uh, Also, like I already represented in those slides before. So that those ones are the key ideas. Let's say I can copy and paste that for you. It's not a problem for me.
Okay.
I can send that to you. So those are the main words that we can have. But I think speed and relationship is the key.
The
After,
main the main
if you
the
get
main
the
key the
style,
okay. The main key is the relationship and the speed.
yeah,
Color.
yeah. For color, I guess also what we want to convey, it's 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 like a bar, right? It's a
Yeah.
bar usage. So everything that can remind people like a bar, that can feel like, usually. And what's very interesting about this business, that when you go to a restaurant, usually you want to explore and you go to different restaurants.
Yes.
Bars, usually you go to the same bar every week at least,
Yes.
and you
Yes.
have this meeting frequently with your friends. So
Yes.
we want to make the user to feel at home, so to feel like somewhere that he feels comfortable, right? So it
Yes.
needs to, so he should look at the app and feel that he's in the bar
Yes.
just
Yes.
across the
Yes.
street.
So I got an your idea. So basically, you you want to make a solution in your app that provide the user to choice in home what bar he want to go to the bar.
Yeah, exactly. So then let me just like explain to you why those logo aspirations I got. I don't know. My cursor. So then, for example, this one, for instance, I'm not going to explain all of them, but this one, for example, I put here because, and it's very important, because usually bars, especially in Portugal and Spain, they have these kind of patterns
Okay.
in their
So so
walls,
so so
right?
so so what nation your target audience? The Europe or your Brazil, Argentina,
Europe,
Europe. So
European,
I think
Europe.
European like the simple icon. European don't like if you want to if you just see their logo icon that's like uh, so let me so if you just see their logo like uh, what type of b- what type of solution you provide. So let me explain you. I will give
Hmm. Yep. Because while I was choosing those, I chose two different kinds. So if you see, and you see the bottom ones are usually, and it's very interesting, they are usually not like logoed, let's say, but they are kind of non-serif fonts. And on
so
top,
so
it's a little bit different.
so what type logo do you want? Do you want the
Yeah.
minimalist logo or do you want something text logo? So what type logo do you
Yeah.
prefer? The text
Yeah.
logo
I
or
think
the
I need I'm not convinced which one I want yet, because I want a good story behind it. So
oh okay
it
okay
doesn't
okay
matter for me. It doesn't matter for me if it is minimalist or not. What I want, it's a story. For example, this one, it's a beer brand. This one, it's a beer brand, and I like it. It's simple, but it's also convey this message of old style, vintage, right?
yes yes
So
yes
this is like, and it's modern at same point, you know.
yes
So
yes
this one is like I like a lot. This one I like a little bit less, right? So that's why
yes
I put in the middle those ones that I like. This one, it's very minimalist, and then these have this A, that it's an app, also like appetite. So he
yes
he 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 played with this, very nice. So I like this one, but they are very different. If you think about style, they're very far from each other, right? They're very far from each other. So I need a good story. I don't need a specific one with serif or without serif. I need a
so
good story. I want
you
to
want you
explain
want
for my
you
user.
want the icon behind the story. So what you like the honor the customer and the speedy. So both all of the story you want to in your logo, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. That's
So
it.
okay. So let me clarify you. I need, I think, 2 days to finish the logo. Okay, at least two
Uh-huh.
days to finish the logo, because I have to sketching all of the thing, and I have to make all of the idea in one artboard. When I come all of the idea in one artboard, then I will make like 10 or like 10 or 15 icon. Then I will choose 3 of them, then I will send you the
Yeah.
3 logo into you, then you have to select one of the for a final logo. Okay, do you understand?
Okay, so
So
what you're telling me that you want to make a kind of a mood board.
yes, mood board, yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
So
Okay.
at first I have to make a mood board. Then I have to collect all of the, I have to put all of my idea in the mood board. I listen, I I got lot of idea from you, and I now I have to put all of the idea in the mood board. When I put all of the idea in mood board, then I will create something on my creativity. I'll thinking, and I will make the like 10 or 15 logo. Then and I will make one logo story behind. So what is the message, or what is the story, like uh, convey your logo. So what is the story? So you want a story behind the logo, so I have to make the story. What is the, like, the customers and the owners relationship in the behind the logo, all of the story. So I have to make like 10 or 15 logo. Then I have to select from 3, and when I select the 3 logo, then I will make a presentation. So how the look like, how the apps icon look like in the app, in the some mockup, and I will send you them to you. Then you have to select them. I will send you 3 logo concept, then you have to select one of the one for a final logo. Then when you select the logo, then you will let me know, then I will make the brand guide and we will finish the project. Do you understand the all of process?
Yeah, sure. I did. Yeah.
So first,
So
so at
just
first,
to you.
yes.
Sorry.
Okay, yeah, you can.
So we have to keep in mind that this is our main competitor. It
What?
shouldn't look like them.
Sunday.
Okay. Yeah. Sunday app. This
Uh,
is their logo.
they
This
okay,
is their style. This is their logo here.
okay.
It shouldn't be like look like this. Shouldn't. And try to also. I don't want to use their colors either. Color palettes, which is very simple, but get away from this color palette too. So you are free to choose whatever you want,
Yes,
except this one.
yes.
So get away from these kind of this one is our main competitor, and we cannot copy these, right? So we
Yes.
cannot
We,
go with
we, we
this.
listen. Since it's our like uh, inspiration. So inspiration. Oh, competitor. It's your competitor, right? Sunday apps your
Competitor, yeah.
competitor. Okay. So since it's your competitor, so I don't copy or any style of their logo. So
Exactly.
I'm just making a new, completely new logo concept for you. And when I finish the logo
Mhm.
concept, 3 logo concept, I will send you 3 logo concept. So when I finish the logo concept, then I will send them to you. Then you have to select one
Mhm.
final logo. You have to select one
Mhm.
final logo. So when you select the logo, and then I will make the brand guide. Okay, I think
Okay.
20
Yeah.
or 30 page brand identity guide is okay. I think the
Mhm.
brand guide
Yeah.
include the.
Well,
Okay, you
yeah,
can,
yeah. I think for the service, I don't mind if it's like 3 good ones. Like for me, it's not a problem. But in the from what we booked, I think the order where we placed the order, I think it's 5. But if it's 3 good ones, I
Okay,
prefer to
so
have
sorry,
like.
so let just oh yeah, it's 5 logo concept. You put
Yeah.
your, oh okay. So yeah, the you place the order in the premium package. Yes, So you will get the
Premium
5 logo.
package.
Yes, you will get the 5 logo concept. I will send you 5 logo concept.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I will send you 5 logo concept, and then you have to select one for the final logo. And when you select the logo, then I will make the brand identity good guidebook. The brand identity guidebook include the logo users guideline, the color users guideline, the typography users guideline, the iconography users guideline. Also the stationery include the premium package. You will get them. Also, you will get the social.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, don't social media. Just include the logo users guideline, the brand guide users guideline, the typography users guideline, and the iconography users guideline. You will get all of the in one brand identity guide. Let me show you. Let me just share my screen.
Let me just, maybe I'll put that question afterwards, but the first thing I also want to say that it's very important when you make the mockups, because you told me that you're going to make some mockups, right? The mockups focus on the mobile solution. So the mobile solution is very important. It's great to think about that, but also like for at the beginning, people won't know about the app. And because we want to go to universities and we have to make this partnership, like think about hats, t-shirts, those kind of promotional kit, you know, those kind of stuff that people will like, reusable bags. I don't know. I still don't know everything, but it's like those goodies that usually people get when they start to promote a brand. So also think
Yes.
about that too.
I will give you like 2 or 3 mockups for every logo, like 5
Okay.
concept, and
Yeah, great.
I will
That's
then
good.
I will present. I will give you a presentation. Let me show you some of my previous work, premium package, premium work.
Good.
Just
Okay, good. You have some examples already.
yes.
Okay.
So let me show you. So I have done lots of projects. So in January or February month, January. So there are lots of. This is the. Hello, hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yep.
Do you see
Hey.
my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay. So those are the presentation that I have done for a company. Its name Beans. So let me show you. It's an artboard. So I send them like five logo concept in this artboard. So let me show you. I think I made 10, and then I will send them in 5 logo concept. So this is the logo concept. Is just their logo they just solve a blockchain technology problem. So let me show you. Letter B with graph icon plus blockchain vibe and the logo. So the logo behind the story is blockchain technology, and so blockchain, I think it's a trading company, blockchain trading company. So it's always up, and trading means it's always up and down, right? So the budget is always so that's why I made this for there. And when I make this, and I send them some presentation like how the look like, the apps, the logo in apps icon or something like that. Those are the, and also I will make a text logo for them. Then they choice for the final logo, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and they choose this color. Also I'll make their UI UX. So I will send you 5 logo concept like this. Logo concept 1, like 5 presentation or 6 7 presentation. Then the logo concept 2, then the logo concept 3 4 5. And also I will send you some mock-up design that I promised to you.
Mhm. And do you want to? If you want, I can send you also the inspiration ones that
Yes, yes,
I
yes,
showed you before.
yes,
Yep,
yes.
I can send that. I can send that right away. Just copy and paste. If you want also like those brands, does it work here? I don't know. Well, I'll send by mail anyway.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, I wanna just also tell you that those brands I found them on Behance. So if you want to check their links, I can send you
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
afterwards.
Send me.
Um, Logo inspiration. Oh, great, 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 great. That's a good start. Okay, ready to go. Sent. That's good.
Do send.
Yeah, so logo inspirations done. After I think you got the message, you got the idea of the company. We are also like we like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
questions,
The logo.
so usually we start everything we do. So every step we make, we question a lot. So we make our hypothesis. So we like questions. If don't hesitate if you have any questions. So we're gonna be very happy to answer all of them because that's the way I think a great work is built. So it's always like about questioning, understanding. So if you have any question about the business, about any other thing,
I
don't
just
hesitate.
long story short. So your business is a one kind of solution for bars. The main goal is make a apps, the payment system, and the payment system help the apps help us people to choose the bar, like the bar is good or bad. Also the apps provide the customers to payment instant payment solution, or
Instant payment solution.
yes, instant
Mhm.
payment solution in your apps. Also also people see the bar is good or bad in the apps, right?
For this first moment, we are not rating because we won't have a lot of different bars
Yeah, yeah,
because
yes,
we're
yes,
probably going to
yes.
work here in the city, so we won't have like this rating feature yet. But probably second version, third version, we should have.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. So at first, that's just main focus is the make a one apps that provide customers to instant payment, and make a good relationship in honor customer and waiter,
Hmm.
right? So
Yeah.
and the logo the logo main story is the speedy, the instant payment solution, and speedy payment solution, and the good relationship in customers and the owners, right?
Yeah, exactly. I think also like what I want to I didn't put in the presentation, but I think it's a good thing also to think while brainstorming this idea. It's that like he should feel that he's looking at a menu of the bar that is just across the street. So that bar that is just in front of his place, and then he goes like every week, at least once or twice to meet their friends. They need to feel that they're looking at that menu. They feel that they are very close to it. Like he's gonna get like the payment aid from this app, but the main goal is to feel comfortable. So that's why I thought about like a kind of vintage solution, but also modern. I don't know how to mix those two. That's why those examples and that inspiring logos I sent you, I think they have this feeling of modern and also vintage solution
Yes, yes, the
that we
modern
can
and the
present for
vintage
young
vibe.
people.
So yes, yes, the bars always something vintage vibe and modern vibe. So I'll make a logo that gives vintage also modern vibe.
Yeah, exactly.
So now I am start working on your project. I will send you the logo concept in 4 June, 4 May, sorry, 4 June. 4 June, Saturday, it's
Okay.
Saturday. Saturday. and I will send you all of them in Fiverr, and then you have
Yeah.
to. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
If you
Like
have
I think the main goal here is to make it great. Like don't worry about delay, don't worry about timing. Like the main goal here is to get a good work, right? So
yes, yes,
don't
yes,
worry.
yes,
Like explore your imagination and get inspired, and do the best you usually do. Like I've seen your work. I'm confident that we're gonna get the best here, and I think maybe even in the future we can work together. So
yes,
that's it. So
yes.
how should I pronounce it? Your name?
My name is
Your first name?
Bayzid.
Sorry,
Bayzid.
Bayzid.
Yes, yes, yes. Bayzid. What's
Okay,
your name?
Bayzid.
Your name
Okay,
is how
Marcus.
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 Marcus. Okay,
Yeah,
nice name.
Marcus. Bayzid.
Yes. So
Okay.
so the so first goal, I have to make a logo. That's I'll try my best. Don't worry. I'm just saying I'll try my best to do make logo. That's
You're gonna get.
yes. I'll just
You'll nail it. Don't worry.
I'll try my best. Okay.
Yeah, don't worry.
Thanks for your
I'm
time.
I'm pretty sure that you're gonna get. Mm,
Yes.
Same here. Same here. Thanks for your time. Anything you want, any
If
question,
if you
I'm always
don't
looking at my mail. So
okay,
yeah.
okay, okay, that's just a minute. So if you don't mind, can you send me the inspiration presentation that you show me in the
Yep.
meeting? So if you send me this presentation, then I will get lots of idea from the presentation, like the
Yeah.
branding.
Yeah.
And when I made the brand identity guide, then you have to send me the brand about us, the brand mission, the brand vision. Also you have to send me lots of text, so then I will put all of the text in the brand guide. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right. Like those questions. Whenever you want to send me those at least those topics, let's say, so I can fill that up. Like just send me the topics, how usually people write them up, because probably there is a pattern, right? Like people usually they do that. So if you have anything as an example, so what should consist that topic, I'll send my answer. Like we're gonna fill up that brand guidelines
Okay,
and
okay, okay,
also
okay,
with
okay.
this all these
Let
those stuff.
me for the brand guide.
Hmm.
Just a minute. I have the brand question. So let me send you. Those are the frequently asked question that I ask for the brand identity guide. I'm just copy the links, and
Yeah.
I
I'm
just
listening to you, but I'm also sending you this presentation right
okay,
now.
okay, okay.
That way we can be fast here.
I already send you the frequently asked question for the brand identity guide. If you have the time, then you can fill up all of the question and you can send to me. It would be very help me to design the brand identity guide.
Okay,
And if you don't
that's great.
have the those question answer, then you can ignore it. No.
Hmm. I'll do that like as fast as I can. I'll try to
Okay.
be fast here from
Okay.
my side.
Okay.
Like for you, like don't worry about timing. Timing is not, as I said, it's not a constraint here. The
Yes.
most important thing, it's a good work. So
Yes.
I'll send you right now this presentation. Here we go. Logo branding. Um, Okay, great. I already sent this. Thanks uh, for the questions. I'll try to answer that as fast as I can.
Okay, take your time.
Okay, great. Thanks for your time too. Like,
And okay, did you send me the? Oh, yeah, you already sent me. Yeah, thank you.
PDF.
Yeah. Thank you.
PDF.
Okay, thank you.
Mm,
Thanks for your time. I really
thank you.
appreciate that you give me lots
Same
of time.
here.
We see you soon.
Okay.
See you soon.
See
Bye.
you soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Have a good one. Bye.